What's up, guys? I am here with my very first vlog. Ow, ow, ow. So today is Christmas Eve. I'm very much in the Christmas spirit. I love Christmas. So right now I just got done doing my hair and my makeup because I want to take Christmas pictures by the Christmas tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the Christmas tree. It's about to get dark. Ooh, bad lighting, bad lighting, bad lighting. So, see, we got our little Christmas stuff. Sorry, the lighting is really bad walking downstairs. But here is the lovely white Christmas tree. Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. So I want to come down here and take pictures by the Christmas tree. So our Christmas tree is like, it's silver and white. So I have on like my little gray pajamas. So, ooh, this will be a cute thumbnail. Hold on. So I'm going to bring my ring light and everything down here. And then I'm going to take pictures. So I have my ring light down here. And I like set up the gifts. Wait, let me show you guys the other way. So there we go. I have my ring light down here and I like set up the gifts a little cuter. So I'm thinking like, should I take pictures like on the fireplace or like cross my legs on the floor? I'm not sure yet. But, you know, Christmas spirit or whatever. So I just got done taking my pictures, but I just had to take off my makeup because my eyes kept watering and my lashes with makeup, it was just giving a lot around my eyes and my eyes are irritated now. So yeah, I took off my makeup, so I'm giving casket ghost, just dead in the face. But right now me and my family are just chilling, you know, Christmas vibes or whatever. My mom is making me empty out the dishwasher. I don't even live here like that, y'all, but whatever. I guess I'll do her little dishes. Mom, watch out. See, she's trying to shoot me with a Nerf gun. Mom, watch out.
There's no such thing as Nerf.
You want to come in my vlog? Guys, this is my little brother.
No.
Hi.
She don't want her son on the internet, but
His hair ain't compass to shoot you. I'm telling you.
all right, tell him from getting by me.
You better not put him in there.
I need
Get that bullet from back there.
Move. You're in it.
Ashley, get off the couch. You can edit that.
So right now I'm outside in my backyard looking at my dogs. Look at them, you guys. It's Chaka. Hi, Chaka. And that's Chuli. Look at Chaka, he's so right now I'm about to probably go watch movies with my mom. Later tonight I'll probably make cookies with my brother, do some family stuff or whatever. I don't know how people vlog without makeup because I really feel like I'm giving just her silverback. You hear her, you guys? So right now I'm about to bake some chocolate. Yeah, I said chocolate. Chocolate bit cookies. For Santa, you know, leave them for Santa. So yeah.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas night.
Guys, these cookies are literally huge. Like, I don't know if I did something incorrect, but like, why are they so big?
Isn't huge cookies a good thing?
So guys, that is the end of my Christmas Eve vlog. My first vlog. Comment below, tell me how I did. If you have negative comments, please don't leave them, because we're trying to just be positive and spread the Christmas joy. Okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna be vlogging Christmas. So I was gonna give like I'm gonna edit this as quickly as I can so it can be up and you guys can watch it on Christmas Eve, and then tomorrow I'm gonna vlog and post that for you guys. So see you guys on the next vlog.